1. Bonobos are our closest living relatives, sharing about 98.7% of our DNA. 2. Bonobos are often called pygmy chimpanzees, though they are not actually smaller. 3. Bonobos are known for their peaceful and cooperative nature. 4. They use sex as a form of social bonding and conflict resolution. 5. Bonobos live in female-led societies. 6. Females form strong alliances to keep males in check. 7. Bonobos can recognize themselves in mirrors, showing self-awareness. 8. They communicate using a wide range of vocalizations. 9. Bonobos use tools in the wild, like leaves for drinking water. 10. Bonobos walk upright more often than chimpanzees. 11. Bonobos are native to the Congo Basin in Central Africa. 12. They live only south of the Congo River. 13. Bonobos prefer rainforest habitats. 14. They are frugivores, mostly eating fruit. 15. Bonobos also eat leaves, seeds, and occasionally small animals. 16. Their societies are more egalitarian than those of chimps. 17. Bonobos engage in face-to-face mating. 18. They form close mother-son bonds. 19. Bonobos use gestures like pointing and begging. 20. They show empathy and console distressed companions. 21. Bonobos giggle when tickled. 22. They share food more readily than chimps. 23. Bonobos display kindness towards strangers. 24. They are excellent climbers. 25. Bonobos sleep in nests made of branches and leaves. 26. Each bonobo makes a new nest every night. 27. They have pink lips and part in the middle of their hair. 28. Bonobos are sexually active throughout the year. 29. They mate in multiple positions. 30. Their sexual behavior includes same-sex interactions. 31. Bonobos have a longer juvenile period than many primates. 32. They live up to 40 years in captivity. 33. In the wild, their lifespan is about 30 to 35 years. 34. Bonobos rarely display aggression. 35. They have been observed using medicinal plants. 36. Bonobos can pass the mirror test by recognizing themselves. 37. They mourn their dead. 38. Bonobos can learn sign language to some extent. 39. Their scientific name is Pan paniscus. 40. Bonobos were identified as a separate species in 1929. 41. They have a matrilineal social structure. 42. Bonobos use eye contact to build trust. 43. They play frequently, even as adults. 44. Bonobos have a more slender build than chimps. 45. Their faces are flatter with smaller brows. 46. Bonobos rarely hunt other animals. 47. Grooming is a major social activity. 48. Males gain status through their mothers. 49. Bonobo infants cling to their mothers for years. 50. They can understand some human speech. 51. Bonobos exhibit laughter-like vocalizations. 52. They can solve complex problems. 53. Bonobos have been taught to use symbols for communication. 54. Their behavior is being studied to understand human evolution. 55. Bonobos show fairness in food-sharing experiments. 56. They often hug and kiss. 57. Bonobos have more peaceful interactions than chimpanzees. 58. Their groups can have up to 100 individuals. 59. Bonobos sometimes adopt orphaned young. 60. Bonobos avoid conflict through cooperation. 61. They can learn by watching others. 62. Bonobos make specific sounds for specific objects. 63. They can delay gratification. 64. Bonobos are endangered due to habitat loss. 65. They are also threatened by poaching. 66. Conservation efforts are ongoing to protect them. 67. Bonobos are protected under CITES. 68. They are more sexually active than any other primate. 69. Bonobos show strong social intelligence. 70. Females remain in their birth group or migrate. 71. Males stay in their natal group. 72. Bonobos can imitate human actions. 73. They can identify emotional tones in voices. 74. Bonobos use leaves as napkins or sponges. 75. They sometimes fish for termites using sticks. 76. Bonobos are featured in some human rights discussions. 77. They are considered one of the most intelligent apes. 78. Bonobo yawns are contagious. 79. They respond to music and rhythmic sounds. 80. Bonobos exhibit cultural behaviors. 81. They can be taught to use touch screens. 82. Bonobos have excellent memories. 83. They recognize individuals even after years apart. 84. They can distinguish between helpful and unhelpful individuals. 85. Bonobos support weaker individuals in conflicts. 86. They express joy by clapping or jumping. 87. Bonobos enjoy water and sometimes bathe. 88. They rarely show dominance displays. 89. Bonobos yawn more when others do, showing empathy. 90. They have individual personalities. 91. Bonobos prefer peaceful problem-solving. 92. Some bonobos show handedness, like being left or right-handed. 93. They are capable of moral decision-making. 94. Bonobos are highly curious animals. 95. They are quick learners in captivity. 96. Bonobos form lifelong social bonds. 97. They use facial expressions to communicate. 98. Bonobos dislike being alone. 99. They can recognize photos of family members. 100. Bonobos offer insight into the origins of human kindness.